Hey folks, welcome back to the Goalie Llamas channel. I've been off for a while, but we have some Hurricane Erin news boiling up here in the Space Coast. And I figured I'd put something out there in regards to preparedness. Although I've put out a bunch of other videos about it, which I will link here, there, maybe over here, maybe down there, I don't know. And I have a whole playlist about hurricane disaster bug out prep, so feel free to take a look at that. But these are a couple of extra little things that I thought I would share about, and everybody's got their own ideas about this, so do what makes you feel comfortable, but before, well in advance of any kind of landfall, potential landfall in this case, might not even hit us. Now's the time to get ready. Know your routes, have water, have food, have backup electricity if you can, have some lights at least, have a way to get out if it looks like it's going to be bad enough early on. And before I go any further, if you like what I'm doing, please like this video and all my other videos and subscribe to my channel. I'm getting close. And if you don't like what I'm doing, no worries. Don't worry about it. Don't forget to test your generator. Charge up all your power stations. Anyway, here's a thing that I've been doing lately. I've been studying for my ham radio license, but in the meanwhile, I have a GMRS radio that I've been using for alternative communication system in case the cell network goes down. I'll put a link to the product in the description and all these other little products. Your documents, get them out of your house. I have this Gemtech safe bag. It's fireproof, it's waterproof. I have a big one, I have a little one. Put your documents in them, keep them in a place where you can grab them right away. If you have to leave or if your house gets damaged, they won't get damaged. And cash. Keep small bill stash around, so in case the electricity goes down and you can't access an ATM, you can do transactions in cash. Your gas tank in your car. I always keep mine at around a half a tank at the least, all the time, to be ready for any kind of an emergency, any kind of a disaster. And that's just part of my plan. I'll also be prepping up my Sienna Minivan Camper with my bug out configuration sometime over the weekend, depending on the track of the storm. It's good to be able to have a way to get out of Dodge, and I have a safe, anonymous spot to go to. Make your own plan. Make a plan for your family. Figure this out before things happen and not the day before. Stores get crowded. Maybe you want to have something like this. I don't know, little personal protection. And even though the hurricane's moving in, it's not going to be here until Tuesday probably. And in the meantime, I have a golf tee time scheduled where I will try out my brand new Cleveland CBX4 Zip Core 60-degree wedge. So keep on living. Check out my old videos on this. I put a couple out a couple months ago that are pretty good and might be helpful. And in the meantime, have the day of your choice. Bang.